Still a piece of the old hole there, see?
Yeah, I know, I can see.
Not exact. Still a piece of the old hole there, see?
Yeah, I know, I can see.
Not exact.
Which way do we want them? Yeah, you want them all splitting?
Yep. Pull them all the way out first like that.
Yeah.
Okay, man. Let's hope for a good split.
Yes.
Oh, there you go.
There it goes.
That looks like a pretty clean split.
Yeah, it does.
That's pretty
nice.
clean.
Are you filming?
Yep. Right, I think it's got to be. It's the hammer action itself that's what's doing it.
Yeah.
Could we find a drill bit that we could mount onto the onto the hammer drill and just have it drill the last couple centimeters?
Got the hammering?
Without the hammering. But like an actual drill bit, I mean, the tools that you've got here are designed for hammering action, aren't they?
Yes, I just don't know what the non-hammering stone bit looks like.
Yeah, okay.
I mean, we're perfect everywhere else. Just gonna nail this bottom shit.
Crack.
Yep. Okay,
Take a look.
let's have a look. Ooh, that was not good.
Look at that.
Yep, not good.
Maybe.
Yep,
Oh wow.
we've got a problem. Still a piece of the old hole there, see?
Yeah, I know. I can see.
Not exact. Close our way up.
Pardon?
Middle up.
Yeah.
Ready?
Do it.
It's cracked.
Yeah, I see it. Not much of of an explosion on that one.
Nope.
But yeah, it looks like it's gone all the way through.
Looks like it's...
That's it.
Yep. Let's see. Looks reasonable. And we can fold it up. Shit.
Where's your bag?
So this one's on the bottom, or this one's on the bottom?
I think this one's on. This is actually the bottom face. If I remember correctly, because remember how it's got a nice big wide ass to it.
The two of us can handle one half of this.
Yeah. So. Whoa.
Still a piece of the old hole there, see?
Yeah, I know. I can see.
Not exact. Close our way up.
Pardon? Yeah. Nice.
Yes. Okay, I need one more. No more pigs.
That could be usable.
Looking pretty nice, Bob.
I think it's beautifully bizarre. There's a moment when you look at this, and we were talking about this the other day, it looks like a piece of antiquity.
It has a ruined quality. doesn't
Yeah.
it?
All right, you ready?
Yep.
There you go. It's definitely wobbling.
But where is it moving? It feels like it's moving all the way to the
I
bottom.
think it is. Yeah, because look, when you're pushing it, the whole thing's moving.
Yeah.
Right? If I put my foot there, yeah, I can feel it.
But I wonder if that's the floor or what? The wood floor?
Could be. I don't remember what the substrate is at the on-site.
Probably a lot like this.
So you get people walking around in there, just the oscillation.
But maybe it's also, here's some, here, let's see if we can get some, you got this?
I do.
Let's see if we can get some of these liquid ice down here.
Okay.
Wobble it a little bit.
Pardon?
Can you wobble it a little bit? This is too thick. I think we can micromanage that when we get there.
Yeah. I think what we need to do this week